What's up?
Here, get on your knees. Right here. Get on your knees. Get on your...
We always say do not run from cops. It's not worth it and it will get you in bigger trouble. This is perfect clip for it. This biker thought he could outrun cops on his dirt bike, but the whole PD was after him and even a police helicopter followed him at every step.
What's up?
Here, get on your knees. Right here. Get on your knees. Get on your...
Don't pull away. What? Don't.
biker got arrested after he was caught doing 98 without plate on his bike. Was this too harsh or justified? Write down in the comments.
How you doing, man?
Can you hear me?
No.
Have your lights on you?
Yeah.
75, 100 feet. Put it on. Put for.
How long were you behind me?
For a good minute, man.
Oh, shoot. I'm sorry about that.
You know how fast you're going, man? You're going over like a 98.
98?
Yeah. Go ahead and step off the mic for me, please.
Yeah, I got
Step
you.
off the helmet for me,
Yes, sir. Would you like my registration?
too. Yeah, give me that too.
I got you.
Why don't you have a plate on your bike either?
They literally flew off.
Alright.
I promise that.
Don't take out.
Oh yeah.
Just take out the back of me too, man.
I got you. Sorry, I just got off the way.
Go ahead and do a favor. Go ahead and turn off real quick. I'll just turn it right now.
Saying you're sorry is probably the best start of a conversation with police when you get caught going 3x the speed limit.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Come on. Trying to get close.
What was it?
You're doing like 140.
Really?
Come on. Be better about that.
I'm sorry, man.
I don't want to be picking you up off the road. Alright?
Alright, thank you.
Be careful.
Thank you.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
It didn't take long for this biker to get noticed by the cops. First, for the unusual bike, and second, of course, there was no license plate on the bike. Riding something that stands out is one thing, but doing it with no plate is basically asking for a stop.
Let's go, man.
Doing pretty good.
Where's your license plate at?
Working on it right now.
Working on it?
Yeah.
Okay, where are you headed to?
We're having a meet right now.
A meet?
Yeah.
Like a
Yeah, just
bike meet?
Yeah, we just do like a Friday night. We go get food and stuff. Oh.
How fast does this thing go?
I don't have a speedometer on it. I just normally I go with the flow of traffic. Just pretty respectful with it.
Hey, do you have any paperwork for like this at all or no? Or are you like, or did you build it yourself?
It's pretty much home built. This is like the second time I brought it out because we do meets. I trailer it, put it in the back of my truck.
Okay.
So.
All right, man. No tickets today. Obviously, you know this can't be on the road,
I know,
right?
yeah.
Okay. I mean, stay here. All right,
I
but
know.
I'm gonna get out of here.
Yeah.
And you're an adult. You're
Yeah.
gonna make your own decisions. You decide to do what you want to do.
Yeah.
If you want to continue driving it, you can face the consequences for that. All I gotta say is I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go do some other work. So, on that, man, just take care of yourself. Go
Thanks.
get your registration, insurance, things like that.
For sure. Appreciate it.
All right, man. Have a good night.
Thank you, sir.
This biker got caught speeding in Florida, and recently the super speed law is applicable, which means going 50 miles per hour over the speed limit or more can get you up to 30 days in jail. Now let's see how fast this biker was going.
What's going on? Any particular reason for the speed? You don't know? I would.
You know what the speed limit is on that road?
I don't. I thought it was like 45.
Did you come from,
I don't live around here.
did you come from Park? Or, once you turn onto that road, there's 3 signs stating the speed limit.
So I'm going to give you a warning on the speed.
Just so you know, the super speeder law is applicable in Florida again. You were doing 50. So, if it was 30, it's 20 over. So, 30 over is straight to jail. 30 miles over the posted speed limit and anything over 100 is straight to jail. No questions asked.
So, like, is it at your discretion to arrest me or like right now to arrest me?
I mean, I feel like someone should go to jail for doing that kind of speed.
Yeah.
Like
I'm just-
30 over, you're endangering the public. Could we write you a criminal citation, which is the same thing as an arrest? You're just not going to jail that night? Yes, absolutely. But complete disregard for everybody else like that, I would feel safer taking somebody off the road and impounding the vehicle.
Even though this biker was way over the speed limit, he decided to stop and deal with the consequences, which is the right thing to do.
Oh, stupid. I do. I took it off because we were taking pictures earlier.
Okay. No, it's just see it was stolen.
Oh, it's not, I promise.
You wouldn't have stopped if it was.
Exactly.
No, dude, you'd be surprised that I had a motorcycle yesterday stop, no tag, and it came back stolen. God's honest truth, I'm out here trying to get into a chase, not with a motorcycle, trying to get into a chase.
I appreciate it, boss.
Nice meeting you. Y'all be safe.
Thank you.
As soon as this biker spotted the cops, he knew he was cooked, especially since it was his second time getting pulled over by the same cop.
I'm sorry, bro. That was dumb. I'm dumb.
Your driver's license?
Yep.
Yeah, I stopped you for your speed.
Yeah, bro. I didn't have to wait for you to turn on the lights. That was hello.
So I thought I stopped you last year to give you a warning. There's a citation here today. What I'm sending you at though is 80 and a 70. It's the lowest fine.
You stopped me last year?
Yeah.
On this?
Not on this. No, I was in your car.
Okay. Oh, at night?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So just a warning today.
Okay.
Or, I mean, just a citation today, but it's
got me excited.
way down. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
There. Directions on the backside. Take care of it. I have 30 days to do that. My phone might be on the person.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Got any questions for me?
No, I'll slow it down. Thank you.
All right. We're good to go.
Thank you.